Hey everyone, well, as a realtor, really who has a passion to help people build generational wealth, one of my big passions is helping you get where you are today to where you want to go with your home or investment property. But I also have a passion about bringing people the best of the best that I have found here in Orange County and LA County and all the land. And that brings me to Tyrone Holliness. Good to see you, Tyrone.
Good to see you
So
too.
glad you're here today. Now, Tyrone owns basically an excursion. I'm going to call it an excursion company because you do a lot called LoveLux. But tell us, now I know what you do, but all the viewers don't. So tell us what you do and what sets you apart, Tyrone.
So I have a company called LoveLux, and we offer curated experiences and vehicle services.
Right? I love that. Well, listen, basically, once again, I vet out everyone I have on my show, and I absolutely love Tyrone, him and his wife. They take care of everything when it comes to really not only great experiences, but getting you there. Listen, safety matters, Tyrone.
Of course.
Getting you there safely and having a great time. So what kind of car do you or vehicle do you have for your services? What do you offer, and how far will you go?
So I have a black on black Chevy Suburban Signature Series, fully loaded. As far as where I go everywhere. There's no limits. I go all over Southern California, and I create these amazing experiences for people.
Okay, well, one thing about Tyrone is your personality and your demeanor. Listen, I don't want to be in the car with a driver who doesn't talk or has the music so loud I can't even hear what I'm thinking. I love you make people feel, Tyrone, like you're related to them. It's the best thing ever. I just love it because you feel like you have the family guy who you love driving you where you want to go. So it's safety, it's comfort, and it's class. And you have all three of those. So let's say, I know your Chevy Suburban's really nice, but let's say I have a girls' night, we want to bring 10 people. Do you have a part of your fleet to cover that as well?
Of course, of course. If you want to bring 10, you can bring 20. I don't care how many it is, Jules. I can make it happen.
And even when these girls are loud and crazy, you're okay with that?
Of course.
Well, basically, Tyrone will take care of your party nights, your fun nights, also your executives. Many times we have executives coming into town, and listen, they want that top drawer service. And what I love about you is you know how to deal with all types of people and communicate with them. So what's your favorite trip you've ever done?
You know what? My favorite trip has to be what I call my senior women, their night out. And the reason why that's the favorite trip, there's no filter.
Oh, yeah.
There's no filter.
I love
But
it.
you get to see them truly have some fun and enjoy themselves.
Oh, that's so nice.
So those are the favorite trips.
Oh, that's nice. And they probably love that as well. So let's just say I want to, like, is there something too little? Let's just say my family and I are going to go on a big vacation and we just want you to drive us up to LA and back. Is there anything that's too little?
No, of course not.
Okay.
Nothing is too little. We can do one person or we can do 100.
Okay.
It's just all up to you.
Okay, so you customize it
Of course.
according to what people need. The other thing I love about Tyrone, even though he has a fleet that works with him, every single time I call you, you answer the phone. Not everybody does that, Tyrone.
That is important. I find out the first person who answers the phone is normally the person who gets the business.
Yeah, yeah, and you're passionate about that. Once again, it's your business. Tell us a little bit about how you and your wife work together for experiences.
So I take care of the logistics, transportation, timing part. She does the actual booking for anything, phone calls to events, places like that.
Oh, so she can help with booking like hotels and stuff, or?
She can book hotels, flights, private jets, cruises.
Oh.
You name it, we book it.
Oh, so you guys can take and customize any experience.
We are what you call a one-stop shop.
I love it. Well, and once again, I've met Tyrone's wife as well. She is lovely. She's a firecracker. Listen, my son and I, you know, are a mother-son family business. So we are all about supporting family business. That's why we really want to support you and your wife. And I mean, let's face it, you got to look good. You look good too. That matters.
So do you.
Take care of yourself, right? So Tyrone, how can people, once again, LoveLux, and you're on Instagram. What's your name on Instagram?
T. Holliness.
T. Holliness. Okay. So make sure you follow him on Instagram. And how do people get, since you do answer the phone, why don't you give us your phone number?
So if you want to get a hold of me, you can reach me at area code 951-399-5425. Tyrone with LoveLux.
And once again, I highly recommend Tyrone Holliness. He is a man on a mission with passion to make you have the best experiences. So thank you so much, and give Tyrone a call. Thank you, Tyrone.
Thank you.